There are several different types of 3D overview tools in Chief Architect. If we go up to the Orthographic View tools, you'll find your Orthographic Full Overview, your Orthographic Floor Overview, and your Orthographic Framing Overview. When I click on Orthographic Full Overview, Chief will place a camera outside of the building and place the focal point at the centermost part of the building. Then it will generate a 3D isometric view of your 3D model. You can toggle between that and your floor plan view by simply clicking on the tabs at the top of your screen. Now we'll create an Orthographic Floor Overview. With the Orthographic Floor Overview, Chief does the same thing, places a camera outside of the building with the focal point at the midpoint of the building. But in this view, you're only going to see the model on one floor only, and the floor that it's viewing will depend on which floor you're on when you take that camera view. For instance, I'll go up to the second floor, go back to that Orthographic Floor Overview, and now we can see the second floor. As I mentioned, you can only see the model on the second floor. However, under Defaults, if you go to the Camera Defaults and General Camera, you can check the box to show lower floors in Floor Overviews. Now when I click on that Orthographic Floor Overview, you can see the floor below, and when you look down into the second floor level, you can see, for instance, down the stairwell into the first floor. You also have your Orthographic Framing Overview. As long as you've built your framing, Chief will generate an isometric view of your 3D model showing only the framing. You also have overviews in your perspective camera tools, the Perspective Full Overview, Floor Overview, and Framing Overview. If I click on the Perspective Full Overview, Chief will generate a more photorealistic image of the model. And as with the other camera tools, you can save the overviews as well. And you can export the picture file for later use.